We all see this, but what we want to see is this. Our own customized animated title screen. Sounds easy enough in theory, but how do we go about accomplishing this? Luckily, Passive Line is here to show you just how to do that. The first step always lies in downloading the script. Mog Hunter provides a large number of scripts to fill a variety of needs, so it can be a little daunting finding the right one. Make sure you select Animated Title A under the Menus category. The download button will be at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and begin downloading the script now. As this is a full demo, it will take a little bit of time to finish downloading. Once the demo is finished downloading, it's time to open up your own project and then copy and paste the script over from Mog Hunter's demo into your own project. Since this tutorial only focuses on the animated title, the Animated Title A script is the only one we'll need to work with. Go ahead and copy and paste it by hitting Ctrl A to select all of the text, and then hit Ctrl C or right-click and copy. Now, head on over to your own project and make sure you have a space available to paste the script into it. As you can see, I've already taken care of this. Step 3 is perhaps the most tedious process, acquiring the project resources. Mog Hunter's demo comes with a wide variety of resources used to run the many scripts inside the demo, but the only ones that we need to work with are the ones detailed in the script itself. To make it easier, I'll go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. The only ones we need to worry about are the ones in the folders Graphics Titles 1 and Graphics Titles 2. Just like these. In order for your game to run smoothly with the animated title sequence, you'll need all of these exact files. You guessed it, you're going to have to export them out and re-import them. I recommend creating a folder on your desktop to make this process much simpler. You'll want to have a Titles 1 and a Titles 2 folder so you know which one to import into respectively. Go ahead and begin your exporting process now. For the sake of time, I've already taken care of this step. Once you're done exporting, go ahead and open up your project and your resource manager and import each file into their respective folders. It's a good thing that you've labeled everything appropriately, so you're able to easily identify which pictures go into which folder. Now with everything in its appropriate place, we'll be able to run our game smoothly with an animated title sequence. Well, now it works, Passive Line, but I kinda wanted to have my own custom title. Now, for the fun part. In order to have your own custom title sequence, you're going to have to create your own versions of each of these images. I recommend using a program like Photoshop, or my favorite free program, GIMP. Select one of the images you'd like to customize and bring it into your program of choice. Once inside, you'll be able to edit the image within the confines of its parameters. Then, once you've created something to your liking, go ahead and save it back into its respective folder. You should now have a list of pictures that are customized to your liking, to fit your exact game and playstyle. The next step will be to, of course, re-import these resources back into your project. Since everything's already in place, it should be a pretty easy template to follow. You should now have a fully working animated title sequence. Step 6, of course, involves customizing certain script elements. Say, for example, you only have a certain number of pictures you want displayed in the background. You can set those parameters here. In my case, I didn't really want the tidal wave sequence to activate. It didn't fit the game, so I turned that off. Experiment with different kinds of settings here. Hey there, Passive Line community. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, but I'd hate to see you leave without subscribing first. There's also a subscribe button at the bottom of this video. And don't forget to share and embed it on your favorite developer forum. And if you enjoyed that much, please leave a like.
Aha! No, come back. Alright, that's it. Grenade. Oh yeah, that's how you do it.